Don't you know it's alright? You can love her, you can love me at the same time. Much to discover. I know you don't have time, but oh my
What have you done?
Oh,
Do you know is Montesco's family?
yeah,
It's
that's
our
my
enemy's
mother.
family.
I love her. It's my love.
right. Oh my
Romeo, do you love me? I know you will say yes, and I will take your word. A gentle Romeo, if you love me, pronounce and reject me, so you will move in truth, fair Montes. I'm too of you, but you ever had, and I was aware. My true love, patience, their word, patience, pardon.
Lady, by yonder blood moon, I swear.
But by the moon, to inconstant moon, the moon by changes in her orb last. You love proof like west terrible.
What shall I swear by?
Don't swear at all, or if you will swear by yourself, and I will believe.
Is my heart.
Don't swear, it's too rash, too sudden, too light, the lightning, sweet, good night.
Oh, will you love me so unsatisfied?
What satisfaction can you have tonight?
The changes of your love, faithful,
Tell me that
both
it's
for mine.
alright. Just enough.
You was married to me. I don't marry with you. Oh. Hello. My father makes me marry to Paris and I don't want.
If you don't want to marry to Paris, take this beer, drink in the bed and drink off this liquor.
Okay, I will take.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Oh no, Juliet! My life means nothing without you.
I don't need the time.
Oh, Romeo! No! My life means nothing without you!
Oh, my lover, don't you know it's alright? You can love her, you can love me at the same time. Much to discover.
In a state improvement, that in Verona where shall no figure at such rate be said, that of true and faithful Juliet.
I rich will be if your son. Cigarettes?
Fire?
Fire? Oh yes. For Juliet. Okay, goodbye.